officially. I'm Rob Anderson. You are?
Gemma.
Gemma?
Yep.
Gemma?
Haley.
Haley? You have a striking resemblance to one another. Are you twins?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought so. My brother and I look very much alike. People think we're twins. I just wanted to mention. That's very cool. Very cool. I understand it is a birthday here at the table. Twins' birthday. How fitting. It's very cool. I actually, to celebrate, what a coincidence, happened to bring a little birthday gift bag to the table with me. It's a little empty at the moment. I want you to imagine a gift you'd like to appear in this bag right here. Anything small, it's got to fit in the bag. Appearing. If we were to look in our little gift bag here on your birthday, we're to find a little gift. It's one gift. We have twins, though, here at the table. We have a conundrum here, a little problem to solve, and I think maybe a little magic, we could probably solve that problem. Twin gift boxes for twins' birthday. It's very fitting, but I don't think it's up to me to give you these gift boxes. Gentlemen, I'm actually going to hand these gift boxes to you, Paul, Michael. I'm going to let you go ahead and hand those gift boxes off to those girls.
You married? I also have something to ask you. I'd like to ask you a hand in marriage. Can you ask? Yeah.
Yay! Congratulations.